You know who it is. It's Ryan. The Bachelor 3 in Texas. Yes, sir.
This here. Yo, what up?
No face, no case. What's going on, y'all? Night POV ride. It's cold. We about to head to a underground car meet. About to crash the party. So yeah, it's cold though. I'm like freezing. And just got gas. Forgot to turn the camera on. But it's fine. Good thing I don't stay that far from the meet. You know me, I usually don't do night meets, but I haven't posted one in a while. So here y'all go. Here goes one for y'all. I don't know, I really don't like excuse me, God, I really don't like night meets for some, I don't know. Oh, I went into neutral. Yeah, I don't like night meets like that. I don't know, there's something about it. I don't really like mess with it. I'm gonna turn this camera on. Yeah, that's a new camera, guys. I'm having it right now, set up right here right now, so I can just test it and run it. I have my settings set up for night right now. For day, I'll have different settings and a filter on there, so it'll look totally different. But for right now though, we're gonna rock with it. Oh yeah, and I was making sure this thing would not come off. I was literally yanking it around. Cause instead of like and there goes my mirror. Great. Now I gotta screw my mirror back in, but yeah, unlike GoPro, it has a magnetic mount to the camera, so hoping it will be strong enough, you know, to deal with. But it is though, so that's a good thing. Camera quality is looking good right now. I gotta talk to my homie about the settings. I let him mess with it right now, because when I'm looking at it right now, it looks alright, but it's not where I would want it to be exactly. It's not where I want it to be. Exactly. It still looks kind of dark. But, I mean, it's fine. Man, my freaking nose is running. It's so cold. Like, my nose is running right now. We'll see where they at. Kind of cool. Bikes over around there. I smell green. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, usually be up there, but I'm trying to find Ryan. Hold on. So I need to turn my damn earpiece. Got a Jixer stretched out. So we'll see. I'm trying to find freaking Ryan. Duck. What's going on? What's going on? The popos. It's a good turnout. I know. I just went around there. I was like, yeah. Oh. It's fucking freezing, man. I'm so glad I live so close.
Get the tag 459 Washington.
Yeah. Well, alrighty. I'm gonna walk around for y'all. Show y'all what's around. Slingshot. I don't know if. Hopefully y'all can see. Got a GTR here. A lot of people. It's like more cars that way too. I'm just really interested in what bikes are here. V2. It looks like a R7. There's another one back there. Here's a R3. I've never seen that color. Oh shit, that shit's in purple. What the hell? Here we go. Now we're in more light. Got some trucks. Pretty much got almost everything out here. Really. That's the Mustang. I need them to rev for me, so I can get some fire. I get blasted by some heat. I hate Dodges. I really do hate Dodges. It's a Jixer over there. Copyrighted. Oh, that's a nice car. Oh, that's the movies right there. Mustangs. Oh, that's cool. Look at the lights on there. There's some more cars pulling up right there. Sorry, y'all. My sinuses, like, it's just so cold, y'all. And I'm trying to show y'all everything. There's another Mustang right there. I don't think there's nothing over here. But ooh! Kia Stinger. Oh my god. That shit is nice. Run! Where you going, pal?
Taking days.
Yeah, usually the meats be up here. They usually be in here in the garages, but they're not. So, yeah. Well, people, that's gonna be it for today's video. Everyone left. It's just so freaking cold. But if you haven't already, go ahead, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you at the next one, man. Peace.